Okay, so today I went to the flea market and I found these old wire crimpers. They're really large. They're like bolt cutters, but they're for crimping things. And I got them because I have this thing I need to crimp these rivets, but these rivets are too big. I gotta find ones with smaller heads, and this crimps onto my infield training rifle. But anyways, I thought I would see how strong the crimpers are real quick here with this 22 empty casing, just to see if it would crimp that. See if I can get it right in there. Look at that. That thing can crimp so good. Just smashes it right into a little pulp. And then we figured me and my daughter would have a thing where we crimp things every day and see what we can smash with this, because she likes to smash things. Thanks for watching.